Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video today. In this video we have listed the top 5 best mirror dashcam on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion. And I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things. Are you new to this channel? You should connect with us, clicking by subscribe button. Should press the bell icon. Best of 5. AUTO-VOX rear view mirror dash cam. Stream media, AD and WDR, super backup camera with 3 advanced technology. 9.88 inches full touch screen. Original equipment look with high compatibility. Auto adjusting brightness and rear view angle. 2 advanced features, LDWS and GPS. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Cinlitek HD mirror car dash cam. Safety backup and avoid hard to see obstacles. Front and rear dash cam recording. Parking mode and motion detection. Looping recording and G-sensor. All-in-one dashboard camera. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. DuDuBell touchscreen car dash cam. Left side touchscreen is more suitable for US drivers to operate while driving. 6 layers of glass makes recording avoid overexposure and helps to capture more details at night. Dual channel recording and wide viewing angle. This mirror dual dash cam is function with G-sensor. High resolution with HDR technology. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. KDLINKS 280 degrees wide dual lens dash cam. A standard review mirror with built-in 5-inch IPS screen. Automatic motion detection. Superior night vision. It supports a 64GB or 128GB micro SD card and boasts an 800 mAh internal battery. Trusted 1-year warranty. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. YI touchscreen dual dashboard camera. 2 HD cameras including a front-facing 1080p HD camera and rear 720p HD camera. Easy to set up, it fits comfortably over your existing rear view mirror. Integrated LCD 16:9 touchscreen for easy control and preview. Built-in Wi-Fi for app connection. Simple setup. Check the description for best price and details. If you have any questions about this information, leave a comment down below and I will give my best answer as soon as possible.